Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to be doing this afternoon is I'm going to show you how to reassemble a socket block adapter assembly if you have ever taken it apart because the spring broke or because you accidentally removed all those pieces that are sitting here when you tried to flip your socket block adapter. Look at the previous videos on our website and it'll show you how to flip a socket block adapter so you don't have to go through this nightmare I'm about to show you. What I'm going to introduce to you right now are the tools that you'll need for this job. You need Loctite 242, 1/4 inch Allen wrench, you need a plastic hammer. Do not use metal, you'll mess up your parts. You can use this as a hammer if you want. You got a screwdriver, flat blade. It can be longer, it does not have to be short, but it has to be a flat blade. Needle nose pliers. All right, here's how we begin. Okay. You'll need your socket block adapter. It has a flat side and it has a concave side. You need the concave portion facing that direction, like so. Tighten it down in your vise. You're going to pick up this pin, that washer with that retaining ring on it. You'll insert it right here. I need this washer, the thin one, the bearings, and the thick one. This is the thin one. Rod and bearing. Push it through. See there? Washer.
Show me the washer again. Let me see right there. Okay, good. Yeah. Very nice.
Push it through. And we need the spring. It's going to go in that hole right there. About halfway. Now you got to hold that with your needle nose pliers and bend it like so. Plastic. Push this through.
And let me just see that for a second. I just want to see. Yeah, that's good. Try and point to it again. Yeah, plastic. Good. All ready? And continue.
Washer. A little bit farther. There we go. That guy, that guy, that guy. Thin one. Right in there. Now, that portion of the assembly is completed. You're going to remove it from your vise. You're going to set that down just like so. You're going to push that spring over to that side. I need my socket block adapter with that hole facing up. This piece, that hole. You concentrate on that little hole right there. So it's got to face up. You're going to set that down. So have your socket block, that hole, that one, and that one are what are important. This is not. It can be solid if you want. So that hole now, facing up. Bring that in there. Bring this in there. just a little bit. Hold here, hold here. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to rotate that right there. If I can see. Like that. And you just tap it into position. And we're going to get our 1/4 inch wrench, picking up our bolt. We're going to insert it like so. Take it all the way down, not tight, just bottom it out. Our other bolt, going to insert it. You're going to take it all the way down till it stops. Take it all the way down and stop. Don't tight it. Not tight. Now we're going to take this guy. Just a little smack. Just want it to sit on there.
What is that?
Loctite. This is the set screw. The set screw keeps that bolt from backing out. It traps it. Take it down till it stops, and then back it off just a little bit.
At a 1/4 turn, 1/2 turn?
1/8 of a turn.
Okay.
Yeah, 1/8 of a turn. Get the next one. Oops. Set that guy in there.
Shoot that towards me a little bit. Okay, good.
Sometimes this is difficult to get in, so you might have to fight it till it stops. 1/8 of a turn. Just a little bit. That's that setup.
Okay.
Next setup, we can go straight into it. Push this down. Socket block stop. Goes right there. These bolts.
Okay, let me get a little tighter on it. You see socket block stop right there. Got it.
Here I can pull it out and show those holes.
Okay, good.
Just like that. This is the hard part.
Yeah, okay. I want to go a little tighter, a little wider. Okay. Helps to have another hand.
I'm just so used to doing it by myself. And this one goes in there. Take it all the way down, nice and snug. And you just completed your socket block adapter assembly. Please, and I warn you again, never disassemble this section if you just want to turn over your socket block adapter. If you want to do that, look on our previous video and it shows you how to pull this one pin out right here, solve all your problems. If you run into any problems, just give me a call at the shop. Thank you.